We live in a society where superficial glitter seems to overshadow what really matters. From a young age, we are bombarded with advertisements and influences that encourage us to consume, flaunt, and pretend to be successful. But what if it was all a trap? Today, I invite you to reflect on something that may seem shocking. What if looking poor was the true path to financial freedom and personal success? Welcome to the Be a Better Person channel. Today, we're going to dive into this intriguing idea. I'll share 4 compelling reasons to embrace simplicity, and at the end, a golden rule that could transform your relationship with money. Imagine a person who appears wealthy: designer clothes, luxury cars, expensive trips. Now think of another who opts for simplicity: discreet clothes, a functional car, a focus on saving money. Which one do you think is more financially relaxed? The answer may surprise you. Often those who flaunt wealth can be smothered in debt, while those who choose to look simple are quietly building a solid financial foundation. Let's go straight to the first reason: less ostentation, more smart investments. By avoiding spending on unnecessary items, you direct your money towards something that really pays off. Think of that expensive thermos. A simpler one fulfills the same function, and the difference in price can be invested. And how about swapping your new car for a used one and investing the money you save? In the long run, this decision could change your life. The second reason is powerful: authentic relationships. When you choose not to show off, you attract people who value who you are, not what you have. These friendships are like deep roots. They sustain you in difficult times and bear lasting fruit. These are the people who will walk beside you as you chart your financial path. The third reason is transforming. Focus on what really matters. When you don't live to impress others, you have more energy left over to invest in yourself. You start to value learning, personal growth, and meaningful experiences. As a great thinker once said, a wise man is more concerned with being rich in knowledge and experience than with displaying material wealth. Now we come to the fourth reason: the peace of mind that comes from financial freedom. Imagine not having to worry about your card balance at the end of the month, or being able to participate in important moments in your life without worrying about the bills. This seems unattainable to many, but it is possible when you control your spending and live within your means. And here's the golden rule: plan your finances. Knowing where your money is going is the first step towards a balanced financial life. Planning is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. A book I recommend to deepen this idea is The Richest Man in Babylon, a work full of valuable lessons that we have already reviewed here on the channel. Remember, looking poor doesn't mean living in scarcity, but prioritizing abundance where it really matters. The next time you find yourself wishing for that luxury item, ask yourself, is this going to add value to my life, or is it just to impress? Think about it, apply it, and be a better person. A big hug, and see you in the next video.